Hi everyone, this is Amy Murphy with McGraw-Hill. I'm here with Lita and Michelle, and we have been creating these courses. So what we're going to do is walk you through the steps you will need to take. Once you log into your Connect, you'll see that you have the appropriate Connect courses shared to you, whether you're teaching 131, 132, 203, or 204. So with Lita's permission, we are in her Canvas course, and she is going to be setting up her 132 course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the course. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to show you how you will import your Canvas shell that Michelle created for everyone. So we'll start by going to Settings, which is at the bottom of the screen here. You might not be able to see it on the recorder here. Here we go. And from settings, we're going to come over to import course content. And then under the drop down, under select one, we'll do the first option, which is copy a Canvas course. And the next thing we need to select under select a course is this is where you will find your appropriate course. So in this case, we're teaching 132. So we're going to be pulling from the master. So you'll either be pulling from 131 master, 132 master, 203 master, or 204 master once that is available. So again, we're doing 132, so I'll select 132 master. And then the last step that you'll take here is you'll select all content to ensure you're getting everything. And then we're going to click on import. I'm on guest access, so it may take a couple of minutes here, but this should run pretty quickly for you to create your course. While we're waiting on that, I just wanted to remind everyone that if you have not set up your courses, if you need to have this set up prior to the start of classes, because having your Connect course integrated with your Canvas course ensures that your students can register and access their digital ebook and their materials for the class so that they don't get behind. We're almost done here. Sorry for the dead air. I just won't ramble for you all. Okay, so it's completed. So now the next step that I'm going to do is actually integrating my Connect material. So as I mentioned, you'll have a course shared with you. The one thing that you'll need to do is come to Settings, and we want to create the McGraw-Hill link in your toolbar here. So from Settings, you'll go to Navigation. Oh, the McGraw-Hill Connect is already in here. I apologize. It's just at the bottom of the list here. So scratch that. You will come over to McGraw-Hill Connect. And it's just authorizing. You can see it's authorizing Lita with her correct email address. And this is creating single sign-on for you with Connect. So you'll want to hit authorize here. From there, you'll be taken to the Connect page in Canvas, and your option here is to pair with a Connect section, so you will choose that. And you'll always choose existing under the two options here, so I'm going to click by existing. And then Lita has multiple courses in here, but you should just see the courses that you're teaching. So in this case, we're doing 132. So we're going to select this IUPUI Spanish 132 Master. And she has one section that she's teaching, so she only has one section available to choose from here. If you have multiple sections, you will pair each one at a time because the Connect and Canvas integration is one-to-one pairing. So I'm selecting this and I'll hit Save. All right, so it tells me that I've paired my course with Connect and I'm done. I do have one more step. So I'm going to click on this yellow link over here, which says return to Indiana University Canvas. You may not be able to see all of that, but that will take you right back to Canvas. And now on the Connect page, you're going to see several options here. This Go to My Connect section is an easy way for you to link back and forth between Connect and Canvas. So when I click on that, it takes me to my home page. But what your next step that you will do is you're going to choose under Tools this first option, which says Sync with My Connect section. And that is going to activate all of the assignments that have already been populated for you in the Assignments folder. So here are all the assignments that will be assigned to the students. Right now they're not active. So I will go back to that McGraw-Hill Connect page. And I'll hit Sync with My Connect section. And what it's doing is it's gathering the assignments that we just looked at in the Assignments tab. And the next step I'll do is hit Submit. And it tells me that 52 assignments have been deployed. So I'll hit OK. And the way that you can test to make sure that's working is to come over to Assignments. And you can click on any one of the assignments that's available here. And what it should do is take you over to Connect. If you have a pop-up blocker on, you'll be prompted to hit Launch. If you disable your pop-up blocker for McGraw-Hill, it will open right into it. So as instructors, it's taking you into the Edit tool, but for students, it will open up directly into the activity. They'll work on the activity, and then they'll return to Indiana University Canvas. So those are the steps that you need to take. Should you have any questions, please reach out to the tech support information we provided and to Mary Brightback as the implementation consultant as well. Thank you so much.